Welcome dudes and dudettes to today's tutorial about how to fake a shadow in Canva 2.0. Well, it also works in 1.0, so let's just get going. So first of all, we're going to create whatever it is we want to create. So we're making a text graphic here for the podcast, the awesome podcast Geek Hearing that I'm doing together with my amazing friend Amanda Sloan. So you just start to create whatever it is you want to create. So I'm going to write that text, copy here, give it a color that I want, and then the only thing you have to do is copy it, give it a different color. I'm going to use that gray here because obviously that's the one I already had, and then you're going to drag it into place in a way where it seems kind of would look as if it's possible, and then you click on position and backwards, and boom, there you have tiny little shadow here. That also works with other things, for example forms or shapes, how they're called now, all confusing, man. So you can make a circle, give it a color, let's make it big and blue, and then copy the same shape in the same size, give it a different kind of color, and then once you've selected it, you can either drag it around with your mouse or do the same thing with a keyboard and then position it backwards, and boom, there you go. And that's how you can create a fake shadow in Canva. That's it for today. So if you've liked this video and it was helpful at all, give me a thumbs up or give me a few comments below. Or you can subscribe to my channel, but I'm not sure where it is. So maybe it's a red button, has a bell on it. So click the bell and follow my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!